When homeowners in Sugarland decide to upgrade to slider windows, one of the most important decisions they face is choosing the right frame material. Slider windows are already known for their smooth operation, low maintenance design, and great ventilation, but the frame material you choose plays a major role in your window's longevity, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. With Sugarland's hot summers, humid climate, and occasional storms, selecting the right material is key to maximizing comfort and long-term value. In this guide, we'll walk you through the best frame materials for slider windows in Sugarland homes, and how to pick the one that suits your needs, style, and budget. Vinyl. The most popular and low-maintenance option, vinyl is one of the top choices for slider windows across Texas, and for good reason. It delivers a strong balance of affordability, durability, and thermal performance. For Sugarland homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency without overspending, vinyl is an excellent pick. Why it works well in Sugarland. Vinyl naturally resists heat transfer, helping reduce indoor cooling costs during scorching summer months. It won't warp, crack, fade, or peel, even with constant sun exposure. It never needs painting and only requires occasional cleaning. Vinyl slider windows come in many colors and finishes, so you can match your home's style without sacrificing performance. For many families, this material provides the ideal mix of value and convenience. Aluminum. Strong, lightweight, and modern. If you love the sleek, contemporary look of narrow window frames, aluminum may be a great match. Aluminum slider windows offer excellent structural strength, making them ideal for large window openings and wider views. Why Sugarland homeowners choose aluminum. Its slim profile allows for bigger panes and more natural light. It's extremely durable and can withstand Sugarland's humidity and occasional storms. It's often more cost-effective than fiberglass or wood. However, aluminum conducts heat more easily than vinyl or fiberglass, so choosing a window with a thermal break is essential. This design feature improves insulation and helps your home maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Fiberglass. High-end durability and energy efficiency. Fiberglass frames are favored for their exceptional stability and performance. These frames remain rigid in high heat, resist swelling during humid months, and offer some of the best insulation of any material. For Sugarland's climate, where both temperature swings and humidity can be challenging, fiberglass performs extremely well. Advantages of fiberglass slider windows. Long-lasting material that resists warping and rotting. Excellent energy efficiency for reducing cooling costs. Can be painted and styled to resemble natural wood without the maintenance. While fiberglass windows come with a higher upfront cost, many homeowners consider them an investment in long-term durability and energy savings. Wood-clad. Classic beauty with added protection. If you love the timeless warmth of wood but worry about Sugarland's humidity, wood-clad frames offer the best of both worlds. These windows feature a real wood interior for charm and insulation, while the exterior is protected by a weather-resistant material, usually vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum. Why they're a great choice. Beautiful, natural interior appearance. Energy-efficient design thanks to wood's natural insulation. Exterior cladding prevents rot, swelling, and weather damage. Wood-clad slider windows require more investment up front but offer unmatched aesthetic appeal for those upgrading higher-end or traditional homes. How to choose the right frame material for your home. Here are a few questions to guide your decision. Is energy efficiency a top priority? Vinyl or fiberglass is best? Do you prefer a modern, minimalist look? Aluminum delivers slim lines and large views. Is long-term durability your focus? Fiberglass performs exceptionally in Sugarland's climate. Want a premium, natural interior finish? Wood-clad offers beauty with reliable protection. Working within a strict budget? Vinyl provides excellent performance at a friendly price. Final thoughts. Choosing the right frame material for slider windows can significantly enhance comfort, curb appeal, and resale value in your Sugarland home. By considering your design preferences, energy goals, and long-term maintenance needs, you can select a material that delivers lasting performance and year-round comfort. If you're ready to upgrade your home with slider windows that fit your lifestyle and climate, explore your options and consult a local expert to ensure you get the perfect match.